Hello, this is Python Statistical. In today's video, we're going to look at the topic of how not to do charts. So I came across this report about seasonally adjusted data, what it really means. This report was produced by the Bureau of Transportation Statistics. So if we go to the chart they produced in this report, we have Figure 1, available seat miles, January 2000 to January 2014. So the original data is in blue and the seasonally adjusted data is in red. Now there's an obvious problem with this chart, and it's the range. The range is too big. They go from 0 to 100 billion when really they should be going from 60 billion to 100 billion. And if you do that, then you'll see a lot more details in the seasonally adjusted series than you would otherwise. So in fact, if we go to the source of their statistics, we see that their charting program actually does limit the range. And this is actually an index. It's not in billions as the other chart was, but you see a lot more detail in your chart. So when you're charting, make sure you limit your range to what is appropriate. That brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. And if you really like it, please subscribe to Python Statistical. Thank you for watching.